Hey guys, this is Coach Taylor. I'm just going to go through the rules for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing positive and negative integers. So that's what we're fixing to start working on. So just going to go through this PowerPoint with you real quick. So the rules for adding integers. So if the integers have the same signs, you'll add them up and then you'll just keep the sign. So example 1 has -2 plus -4. So you'll add 2 plus 4, and then you'll keep that negative sign, so it'll be -6. All right, 2 plus 4 equals 6. That's just like normal addition. And then -3 plus -5 equals -8. So you'll just add the numbers up, and then you'll keep the sign that's in front of them. All right, next, rules. The next one for adding integers: if the signs are different, you will subtract the numbers and then keep the sign of the larger number. So example for that is +5 plus -3 would give you a +2 because 5 is larger than 3. Okay. So example 2, -5 plus 3, your answer would be -2 because 5 is larger than 3. So you'll keep that sign that's in front of the 5. All right, and then -10 plus +5 would give you -5. So if the signs are different, you'll subtract the numbers and then keep the sign of the larger number. All right, rules for subtracting. When subtracting positive and negative integers, you add the opposite. And then adding the opposite means that you'll change the subtraction sign to addition, and then you will add the opposite. So -3 would become +3. 5 would become -5, or -10 would become 10. So once you add the opposite, you'll follow the same rules for adding integers. So your example 1, you have 7 minus -3. So that would be 7 plus, because you're going to add. And then the opposite of -3 would be +3. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. All right. Example 2, you have -10 minus 7. So you have -10, you'll change the subtraction sign to addition, and then you'll do the opposite of -7, or the opposite of 7, which would be -7. So that would give you -17. All right, and then the last one is 5 minus -4 equals 5 plus +4, which will give you 9. Okay. All right, then the last rules are the rules for multiplying and dividing integers. They're the same for both. So if the signs are different, the answer will be negative. If the signs are the same, the answer will be positive. So the example for multiplication, you have -3 times 4. The signs are different, so the answer would be -12. -4 times -4, the signs are the same, so the answer is going to be positive. So positive 16. All right, example 3, you have 5 times -4. Signs are different, so the answer is a -20. All right, same thing for division. You'll have -12 divided by 3. The signs are different, so the answer is -4. -16 divided by -4. The signs are the same, so the answer is positive. All right, so +4. And then -20 divided by 5. Signs are different, so the answer is negative. Okay. So use this to help you as a guide to do the assignments that we're going to be putting on Schoology. If you have questions, let us know. But hopefully you can go back through this and go through the PowerPoints that Coach Shedd or Coach Oliver put on there. That way you guys will understand what's going on. This is stuff that's a preview for 7th grade. So you'll work a whole lot more on this when you get to 7th grade. But this is just kind of a preview so you know what's going on. All right. So again, if you have questions, let us know. But hopefully you can use those examples to help you through these assignments these next couple of weeks. All right. You guys are doing well, and we will talk to you later.